Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily install Windows 10 into an SD card. To begin, just open your browser and type download Windows 10 ISO and hit enter. Sometimes Google will ask you to confirm that you are a human. At this stage, you will see the logo of Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, and it shows download Windows 10 disk image. Click on it and you will be redirected to the official website. If you see a different language than the one you want, just scroll to the bottom. Here you will see the little icon of the planet. Click on the language next to it and you can select English or Spanish or whatever. Don't worry if you get redirected here, just click again on Windows 10 and here we're going to select the download option. A little tool will be downloaded to our computer, so just click on it to run. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer or to your device. Just click yes. We will wait a few seconds and then it should be loaded. And we should be able to see getting few things ready. At this stage, I invite you to read the Microsoft software license terms, or you can just scroll down to the bottom and click accept. This operation usually takes maximum 1 minute to 2 minutes as max. At this stage, the option that we will select create installation media and click next. We will untick use the recommended options for this PC and we will select the language that we want. For now, I will leave it just English. And for edition, there is only Windows 10 available. And for architecture, it should be only 64, but sometimes you can download even both or just one. So you can either select both or just 64 or 32. If you are unsure, just check the computer that you want to install this Windows on and check the architecture of it, and it must be one of these two. You can actually download both if you want so that you solve the problem. For now, I'll stick to 64 and I will click next. And here I want to select the ISO file so that I can use it as I want. So select and click next. I will choose the location where this file will be saved. So I'm gonna select data and I'm gonna save it here. And the download shall begin. This operation usually takes between 3 to 7 to 8 minutes based on how fast is your internet. I will just pause the video here and we will take back once the next step is prompted. So now as you can see, it shows here that it's been saved to this location. By just clicking on it, it will guide me directly to the file. And here we have the Windows 10 ISO file. So we will just rename it Windows 10. And now it's ready to be used. We're going to download a little tool called Rufus. So type in your browser Rufus. You will see the official website. And here we have it, the software. So just locate .exe, Windows 64. If you are using an old version of Windows, then you might want to see if you have Windows 86 or Windows 64. In your computer, if you are a Windows user, just type dxdiag and a little window will pop up, and here you will be able to see the version or the architecture of your operating system. So here it's 64-bit. So I will download the 64-bit compatible. This is only an advert. And the tool has been downloaded, so we can close this browser. As a next step, double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. At this stage, the tool will appear like this. Do you want to check your storage device if it's empty? So here I have it under letter E. It has 14 giga and I have to make sure that it's empty. Any data which is being contained in it, you need to copy it somewhere else because during the process it will be deleted. So in Rufus, we're going to select storage device, the exact same letter. Disk or ISO image, click select, locate your Windows 10 and click open. Wait for the scan to be finished. And here under image option, you want to select Windows to go. Leave partitions under GPT, UEFI, and storage device. This is only a name that I'm giving to my USB flash drive or my SD card. You can name it as you want. The file system must be NTFS, cluster size 4096 bytes, and quick format, create extended label and icon. Once I click start, everything in the device will be deleted, the target device. Start. OK. At this stage, you need to select the Windows 10 version. For me, I want to select only Home, Windows 10 Home. You can select which one you want, and single language. I will click OK. I will name my account. And here you have the settings. You can either leave them by default or you can just keep them as they are. I'll click OK. Warning, all data on device storage device 16 GB will be destroyed. To continue, click OK. I will click OK and it will begin. At the beginning, it will partition, it will delete, it will format, and after that, it will start creating the master boot file for my device. If you see the devices appearing and reappearing, don't worry, that's normal. As you can see, guys, now my storage device got Windows installed in it, Windows 10, and now it's ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.